Hey, stand up. What's going on? All my beautiful people. It's me, Marlon. Guys, I am freezing. It is extremely cold here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys, but it's okay because I want to talk about how to make money online working from home in the year 2020, guys. That's right. We're positioning ourselves, right, to continue to speak our own success into existence in the year 2020. So if you guys are finding this video, it's because you're looking for a way to make money online working from home in the year 2020. If you guys found this video before that, just consider yourself lucky, okay? Anyway, guys, I want to talk about that because I don't think a lot of people really understand how simple or making money online working from home can actually be when you solve problems, okay? Because that's really all it's all about, right? Solving problems. And tonight I'm going to talk about how to make money online working from home in 2020, solving problems. And this is, before I even get into the video, I want to talk about the probably three, I won't say the only, but three of the most popular niches to actually be a part of if you want to make money working from home online, solving problems, guys. So let's look at this and let me tell you guys why I believe that. They are health, right? Health, losing weight, dieting, running, exercise, fitness. They are wealth, right? Different types of wealth. I don't care if it's Forex or cryptocurrency or stocks and investing. And relationships, guys. Okay? Health, wealth, and relationships. They are three of the hottest niches that you can be a part of online and actually make money from home working online, solving problems in any combination or any one of these niches, right? Now, when we talk about solving problems, I'm talking about working from home online as an affiliate marketer, right? You guys always hear me talk about affiliate marketing. And the reason I talk about affiliate marketing so much, because it is truly one of the simplest and easiest ways to get online and work from home online and make money. Because all you're really doing as an affiliate marketer is you're actually selling other people's products, okay? So I'm going to get out of these screens real quick, guys, and I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about designing your mind for success and how to make money online working from home in 2020 as a problem solver. Now, one of the things that I like to talk about as an affiliate marketer is building a list. Because if you can build a list of people that you can solve a particular problem for, and it doesn't matter whether it's in the health, the wealth, or the relationship niche, then you can make money online working from home as an affiliate marketer using automated sales funnels. In a previous video, I talked about stagnant websites, and I talked about one of the things that a lot of people do as soon as they start thinking about making money online working from home is they go and have these expensive websites built out, right? Sometimes costing them thousands of dollars, and they think because they got a big fancy website with all this stuff on it, right, that it's going to make them money online. I don't care what you're selling and marketing, promoting, guys. If your website is not, if you're not positioning yourself in front of people, how do the people even know you exist? Now, there's a couple of trains of thought when you talk about your stagnant kind of website, right? I mean, if it's a blog, yes, there are ways to do all kinds of fancy SEO stuff inside of your blog to generate traffic to it, generic traffic to your blog by keywords. And, blogs are set up that way and they're designed that way. But sometimes it takes a little while for your blog to get some authority going, so it may take a little while. If you just got a blog or a website that's just sitting there stagnant, that's why I'm talking about sales funnels, because sales funnels are specifically designed to get sales, right? When a person opts into your capture page, right, we're going to talk a lot more about it. You guys have seen me talking about it before. They're coming into a sales funnel, right? Now, I talked about the ideal components of a sales funnel, and I just used an analogy. The other video I did was on McDonald's, and I talked about how every day we actually are, and we encounter some type of sales funnel, usually as consumers in our everyday lives, right? I talked about going to McDonald's for an order of fries, and before you know it, you're supersizing and you're getting a Coke, and before you know it, you went in thinking you were going to spend $10 and you ended up spending 15 or 20. Well, if you got a family, maybe you did. But here's the thing. When you think about a sales funnel is built that way, right? And what happens throughout the process of a really nice sales funnel is it has what I like to call, and what one of my mentors talked about, being a value ladder, right? A value ladder. So what does that mean? Well, it's no different than when you go inside McDonald's or anywhere else you go to buy one thing, and you end up buying one or two or three or four more, because if you went into McDonald's just to get an order of fries, did you think about it? You want to add a little more value to your meal, right? So you might throw a burger and a Coke in there, right? Okay, think about a sales funnel the same way. When a person comes into your sales funnel, you traditionally want to introduce them to something that can solve a particular problem for them, right? Now, they're interested in it. They're going to see the sales presentation. And throughout the funnel, what you want to do is to continue to build value, right? And present it to that prospect. It's going to make what that problem solved is even better. So you're going to solve the problem when that person comes into your sales funnel. And then what you're going to do as they continue throughout your sales funnel is show them how to make that problem solving process even better. Right? If you walked into my gym and I had a gym and I said, okay, I'm going to set you up for an actual plan. If you want to lose 10 pounds in the next 35, 40 days, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you're a person looking to lose weight, you might be really excited about that. But if I tell you, hey, also, free of charge, I'm going to throw in a special diet that I'm going to write up for you that's just going to cover you for the next 30 days that you can follow as well to help expedite the process for you losing that weight. And then I tell you, if you complete that and you hit your target of losing the amount of weight that you want to lose in the specified days that you want to lose it, then I'm going to throw in a membership for you for the gym at a 50% discount. You guys kind of get where I'm going when I talk about adding more value throughout the sales process in your automated sales funnel. Well, guys, as an affiliate marketer, that's exactly what you want to be doing. You want to be bringing people into a sales funnel. You want to be solving a problem. Now, before you start that process, you want to be idealistically building a list, okay? What did I say? If you can build a list of people that you can solve a problem for, then you can make money online working from home. And not only can you make money from online working from home, you can make money offline working from home too. It's no different. The process is the same. We are problem solvers, guys. That's what we do. We solve problems for people. Now, if you're a person who are looking for a way to start solving problems for other people, and thus solving some of your own problems at the same time, then right below this video in YouTube, there's going to be a link. You're looking at the page right now. Once you click that link, guys, I'm going to take you guys over to a system that you can actually use to start solving problems for other people and solving some of your own at the same time. Remember, guys, if you can show enough people how to get what it is that they want in life, you can get what it is you want in life. How is that for some life-changing concepts for you? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that it makes sense to you. I'm going to keep doing it till one of these days it's just going to go off. You're going to get it. You're going to understand it. You're going to lock into an automated sales system, an automated sales funnel that can do all of this for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days out of the year. How cool is that? Anyway, thanks for being on the video, guys. Miles to go before I sleep. Thousands of more videos to do. Appreciate you guys for being on the video. If you guys opt in, then I'll see you guys on the inside. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I will see you on the inside.